Hello everyone, welcome to the series of API testing. Today I am going to tell you how you have to retrieve the body of, or how you have to verify the body of the API call. So right now, I have this fourth test case where we are going to verify the body content and whatever the URL we are going to use, that is the same like whether of a city and which whatever the city you want to take for the endpoint, you just take, and then we have to check whatever the body is displaying in post API, that is our expectation. So let me go to the application. I mean to say go to this Eclipse, and as per our previous session I already created a project, and we have completed a few test scenarios. So right now I am going to create another class for TC_004 get body method, get method with the body content. So I am putting here the get body and finishing it. Now you are able to get the body of the whatever the method you have created. Now I am going to create one constructor for the same class, public void, and then put the same constructor name, and here though you are going to test this script using TestNG, so I'm importing the TestNG annotation details. Now as per our previous previous exercises, we have to first create the REST assured base URL, which we are going to take this URL. So I'm copying this and pasting on this base URL section. Then here you have to, then after that you have to create the request specification, or you have to create the request object. This is called the request object. Now once you created the request object, what you are going to get in the response, you have to create the response. Here we are taking the city Delhi, so I am putting Delhi here. Okay, now after finishing this, we have to using this response dot get body dot as string. Then here we are putting string, we are creating a string variable, and let us give this as body equal to this one. Though here we are we come to this point, and here we are going to get all the body data using this string. So before that, let me go to this Postman and let me explain you something. Here whatever the base URL we are taking, this is like REST API demo qa.com/utilities/weather, and city, then slash Delhi we are taking. So we are going to test it on the get method. So I am putting the get method from this method list. Then I am sending. Once I am sending, in the body of this postman method, we have few labels with the values like city Delhi, temperature this one, humidity 26%, where the description has like wind speed 5.1 kilometer per hour, wind direction to 90 degree. So this type of content we are getting. So the same thing, whatever we are getting in Postman, we just making a method and calling all the entity over there to get this result. So for that I put and this and let start out. Let me write here body of the content plus body. Now if I am executing this piece of code, let me check what we are getting. So right click, run as testng. See, it is passing, and in the body part we are fetching all the body of the content. City equal to Delhi, temperature equal to 360 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Celsius, and humidity 26%. Weather description has wind speed 5.1 kilometer and wind direction is to 90 degree. So here whatever, and finally the test case is getting passed. So here whatever means we are getting in means whatever we are created, what created the script, we are getting the result based on the post API. So here if you want to make a means to like this is true or false, if you want to check, for that you have to put assert, that assert equals, put this body and here you put true and execute it again and check. Why it is failing? Okay, so here it is telling this is not body, is whatever we are getting here. If I am putting, it is throwing that this is not equal to that. So yeah, so here instead of putting this body respond, let me change it to response. So whatever the body we are taking, we just put here. Then that body contains whatever it is contains of this Delhi. Then if both are same, then this test case will be passed. So let me go and execute it again and verify. Yeah, my test case is passing. See, whatever the means whatever the actual result body that contains Delhi is meeting, means it is true. This content is true, so my test case is passing. If you want to make it as a failed test case, though you are passing here Delhi, let me pass here Hyderabad, and check what is it is coming. Showing. See, it is showing it is fail. As before previously also you check, the expected is false but was true. The expected, whatever we are expecting, it is telling that it should be false, so that it was true. So in that case it is failing. Let me put it here false and false, and let me check, verify. Yeah, still my test case is passing, because if I am putting Hyderabad, whatever the body of the content, that is false, so my test case is passing. If here I am putting again Delhi, and let's see, here I am putting false, then let me show you what is it is showing. Again this test case is going to fail, because whatever the body contents we given, that is true, but here whatever the boolean value we pass, that is false. So here let's see, expected is true but was false. So if I am putting here true and executing the case again using test ng, then see, my test case is getting passed. So I hope you understand or get how you have to verify the body of one API call in Java with Selenium. If you have any doubt in concern, please ping me or comment me. I will answer that. Thanks.